Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will discuss how to install C# in VS Code and run our first code in VS Code. So let's get started. Uh, Go to your Visual Studio Code and we need to install C#. We need to install a C# dev kit. Click on this C# dev kit, install. So it will take some time to install this C# dev kit. Once it is done, then we will start coding our first program. So let's wait for some time to install. C# dev kit is now installed in your VS Code. Now let's try to create some project in C#. Press Ctrl Shift and P. Press Ctrl Shift and P. It will open a command plate. It's say command plate where you can find your .NET new project. Click on it. If you do not have .NET SDK installed in your system, you have to install so that you can run your code or .NET code into it. So the C# dev kit extension installed in VS Code, but SDK doesn't install. Without SDK you can't run your application. So get the SDK, click on it. You have to download for Windows as per your requirement. I have downloaded .NET Skin X64. Based on your requirement you can do it. 64 is also okay. Let's open this one. .NET, cancel this one. Let's see. Click on the direct link. It will installed. It will download your .NET SDK into your system. Still downloading. Let's open this file. You can open from download folder as well. You can see you can go to your download folder, and this is the install. You have already clicked on the browser, so no need to click here. So if you click on the install, it will ask you for your permission. So you need to say yes, and we'll start installing the SDK. .NET SDK installation is complete. Now close it. Open again. Yes. Now go to the Visual Studio. I guess we need to restart it again or reopen. So exit and open Visual Studio. Okay, now Control Shift and P. Click on new project. Let's wait for some time. Still in process. Yeah, now you can see there are a lot of other options is available. Today I'll go for, let's go down console app. So click on console app and we'll create a new project over here. You can see still in process. It will take some time to create the project and then we'll start the code. Looks a little slow. Yeah, it is asking me for project name. You can give my first C# project. Okay, default directory or choose any other directory. Takniki Gyan Guru. Okay, let's say default directory. We'll create a new folder over here. You can see my first project, the project detail, and this is the program. This is the program file. From here the application will run. Right, let's remove it. Create your own code like name space Takniki Gyan Guru and create a new class my first project, my first class. You can create any class. Now console, you need to create a function over here, static main. I don't want to return anything, so void main string. I'm passing one parameter and let's say I'm printing something, console dot write line this is my first C# program. I guess there is one more issue, name should be capital. Now you can go here and run this project. It will run your application and give you the output. This is my first C# program. Let's wait for some time for the results. Yeah, you can see this is my first output is this is my first C# program. So this is just my first code here. I will come up with oops concept. You have seen in my earlier video. I have explained the oops, but now we will explain oops in C#. So thank you so much for watching my video. We'll come with more videos. Please like, share and subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions and queries. Thank you.